Let me start by introducing myself. My name is Pankuri. It's a very special evening. So first up, a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. आप सभी का स्वागत है वोडाफोन पार्टनर्स कॉन्क्लेव 2012 में। और जैसा कि आपको पता है कि हमारी इस बार की स्ट्रैटेजी है शाइन ऑन, winning with customers, and some of you have really shined this time. And this evening is going to celebrate your shining moment. Wondering आज रह कहाँ गया ये Sid? Well, where is he? Sid, are you around? तो अगर आपकी आज्ञा हो तो आप आगे बढ़ सकते हैं with the first set of our awards for this evening.
Of course, please. Let's go for it.
Well, to present our first set of the awards, may I please invite upon stage Arvind Vora and Deepak Bhatia. The first set of awards is being given out in the category Best in Gross Acquisition. And the first winner that we have for this evening is Mr. V. Swaminathan from Andromeda Sales and Distribution Private Limited. May I please request our partner from Vodafone, Mr. Manoj Batra, to join him up on stage. Thank you, Mr. Manoj Batra. Thank you, Mr. V. Swaminathan, and very, very congratulations to you. Moving on to the second winner in this category, that is Best in Gross Acquisition. May I please invite upon stage our second winner, Mr. Rajesh Nair from Interactive Marketing Private Limited. And to accompany him, may I please request our partner from Vodafone, Avinash Nara. Our next winner in this category, that is Best in Quality Acquisition, is Ajoy Chomal from Matchless Sales. And could I request our Vodafone partner, Piyush Gupta, to come up on stage with him. Now moving on to the next category, which is Best in M&P. Our first winner in this category is Rajesh Nair from Interactive Marketing Private Limited. A huge round of applause for him. And could I request our partner from Vodafone, Rupesh Mukadat, to accompany him. Congratulations to all our winners in the first three categories. A huge round of applause for all of them. There's still so many winners that I'm going to be announcing, that we're going to be announcing ahead of us tonight. When we're getting into the ACE Awards, and they're called the ACE Awards because the reward is really quite high and very exciting. I'm going to be announcing the zonal winners, and you know what? The zonal winners actually get a trip to your favorite destination, and you love shopping. So which is your favorite destination?
My best holiday has been from Andheri to Churchgate.
He's just modest. He's always flying out of his suitcase. He's just modest. When it's Dubai, Sid.
Wow! Dubai! Zordar Talia! Sheikh Mohammed, I love you!
Sid, last time when you were in Dubai, you had so much fun, right? I remember you were sending me pictures of that Al Burj and all those 5-star deluxe hotels that you were in. Why don't you get those pictures for me again?
I will get that, but Al Burj, to be honest, I was the valley guy there. Alright, I'm going to get her the pictures. You guys enjoy as well.
Yeah, let's relive those moments.